Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel your Emergent AI subscription. First, log into your Emergent AI account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Account Settings. This will open the main settings page for your account. Inside Account Settings, look for the option called Manage Plan. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Here you will see information about your plan, billing cycle, and payment status. Scroll down until you find the Cancel Plan option. Click on Cancel Plan and follow the on-screen confirmation steps. Once confirmed, your subscription will be set to cancel. Before you cancel, there are a few important things you should do. First, make sure you use any remaining credits on your account. After cancellation, unused credits may be lost and cannot be recovered. Next, if you are on a standard or pro plan, save any important code you have created. Download the code files and upload them to your GitHub account or store them locally on your computer. Download any key files, exports, or project data you may need in the future. That's all you need to know.